Today, we are going to talk about bilingualism. What is bilingualism? The ability to deal with two languages is called bilingualism. People define this term in different ways. For some, it means an equal ability to communicate in two languages. For others, it simply means the ability to communication two languages but with greater skills in one language. Leonard Bloomfield defined this term as the native-like control of two languages. According to the Webster's Dictionary, bilingualism is the alternative use for two languages. The factors that lead to bilingualism. As the factors that affect for the bilingualism, following can be given. Geographical proximity. Geographical proximity of two countries naturally leads to the need for communication among their members for social, cultural, economical and political purpose. Since the language can be barrier to effective communication, members of the two countries learn the other language. Historical factors. Historical events such as colonialism made the newcomers have much influence in bilingualism. Since the most powerful groups in any society are able to force their language upon the less powerful, all official transactions were done in the foreign language. Therefore, native people happen to learn the foreign language and automatically they become bilingual. Religion. Some religions consider the language of their sacred script written in a particular language and it is holy. Such members of clergy in such religions have to learn the language in which such sacred books were originally written. Types of bilingualism. Bilingualism can be classified according to the ways in which people learn or acquire two languages. A linguist called Wayne Rich in 1968 discussed about three types of bilingualism. First one is coordinate bilingualism, second one is compound bilingualism and third one is subcoordinate bilingualism. Coordinate bilingualism. In this type people learn the language in separate environment. Here the people know the meaning of the words in two languages. Learners know the differences between two languages. This is also named as subtractive bilingualism. Another one is compound bilingualism. Here, the person learns the two languages in the same environment where they are used concurrently. This bilingualism takes place when both parents are bilingual and they speak to the child in both languages. Then, the child may speak both languages effortlessly. Last one is subcoordinate bilingualism. In subcoordinate bilingualism, one language dominates. Subcoordinate bilingualism is developed after the critical period for language learning. This explains when people acquire their second language. This is also named as late bilingualism.